Gavin Schur and Eli Demosthenes here. We are about to shoot this rocket at 80 psi. It's going up on our Husky 120 volt inflator. Okay, 80 psi is the pressure. This is the Delta 2.
There is no Delta 1, by the way. 3, 2, 1.
Oh damn, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Man. That's nuts. We have here
Still at 40.
Still remaining at 40, still 40 psi remaining. Here are some of our rockets using Grant Thompson's design on YouTube. This is paper wrapped around the end of our cannon, our rocket. Cardboard fins, electrical tape. Some have pennies in the end and coins for weight.
Now we're almost at 60. Let's just shoot it off.
Okay.
It's gonna be really loud.
Okay, go.
3, 2, 1, bust!
There it is. Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Gavin Schur and Eli Demosthenes here with the Delta 2. This here is a sprinkler valve which releases the air built up by our Husky 120 volt inflator, which the air is contained in these pipes, which we have sealed. The momentary switch briefly opens that, so we just click it once and it very quickly releases the air. Sometimes there is still pressure remaining, which we're still trying to figure out why. We had some leaks here with this connection, so we used epoxy, and so far that has helped. And right now we're trying to go to 90 psi. Our power is from this plug here, which uses the extension cords that go back to the house. Our rocket, we used Grant Thompson's design, the King of Random. It has a paper body with electrical tape around it. They're very durable. Electrical tape works very well. These ones have aluminum fins. Some have cardboard fins. And this is our pneumatic rocket.